You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name and clarify the pronunciation of this biblical name. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, clarify their pronunciation, stay tuned. From Hebrew, the book of Judges, Manoah, Manoah. Hebrew pronunciation. In English, it's often pronounced as Manoah, Manoah or Manoah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.